This video is sponsored by Terry Mac, terrymac.com.
Alright guys, Wayne back from Brooklyn Prince. Today we outside in the backyard again. What I'm going to attempt to do today is turn this bright sunny day into night or even dusk, right? I have my camera settings to shoot black. I'll put all my numbers down below because I don't know, I'm not a technical guy, I just know how, right? We're here, we got Anastasia. Something that I always forget that she got to remind me.
Hi guys, before we get into this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.
Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, and we just going to take some pictures. We got the flash on 100. I mean, 1:1, full power. We got the camera set up, like I said, to shoot a black picture. And let's see what we can get. And like I said, you guys know I'm going to post everything. Everything. And I always, anytime I turn my back, I get lost in the traffic. So we stuck right here. So you might move over. Of course, I'm not going to take too many pictures because, like I said, it doesn't take a lot of pictures to show how to do stuff, you know? I'm attempting to kill this sunlight. That's all I'm doing. And of course, like I said, I'm going to post everything. And if you like what you see, leave a comment down below. Anything I don't remember, ask the question, I'll let you know. Can't go too far, we're not tracking. These pictures are not coming out that bad. Of course, when I snap, I'm going to drop the picture at the same time so you know this is the picture I took. We're not cheating here. And I'm going to post straight out of the camera. No editing, no... Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see just how bright it is outside. But like I said, we're going to try to kill sunlight. I'm just going to take one more picture and then we're going to wrap this up. Let her say something else so y'all have something. I know you're tired of this ugly face. I hear y'all saying, yeah, move, nigga. And that's it. You know, like I said, if you like what we do here, like, comment, subscribe, leave a message, you know, email me, whatever you want to do. If you don't like what we do, still ring that bell so you can yell at me next time. Oh yeah, we do t-shirts, custom t-shirts, custom printing. I don't have anyone on today, but that's what we do. Anastasia? Because I know I forgot something.
Make sure you go check out his other channel. All the sexy photo shoots of me will photography on his page.
Not just her, some other people too.
Well, most of it is me. But
See the ego?
But if you are interested, if you're looking for a photographer, looking to get some portraits for your Instagram or your Twitter or whatever, we do that.
All right, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.
This video is sponsored by Terry Mac, terrymac.com.